Show you me making this like recession-proof, inflation-proof dinner, and you just dump it in the pan, mix it all together, and it's pretty awesome. So check it out. I did not grease the pan beforehand with olive oil. That would probably be good. It wouldn't stick as much. Okay, I'm trying to do a broccoli stuffing casserole. So this is more vegetarian, but you can do whatever you want. I'm going to use chickpeas in this one. Savory herb stuffing. You can use whatever you want though. So let's get the broccoli going. So this is my method right here. Is this your method? Top of that, start with the dry ingredients. You put one bag of stuffing over it. Put a drained can of chickpeas. I'm going to use a full cup in total, but we're going to use a half cup right here in this step of extra sharp cheddar cheese or whatever you got. It's like the inflation-proof dinner. It's a cheap one anyway. Okay. Now we're going to move to slightly more liquid ingredients. Got a can of cream of mushroom soup. This is the first time I've made this directly in the pan. Usually I mix it up in a bowl first. But I'm like, this is a qualified dump dinner. Just dump all that stuff in there, bake it, and eat it. That's what I like. Okay. So what I've done, I've taken a third cup of water, and I've melted down two of these not chicken bouillon cubes. You can just use regular chicken bouillon, whatever you're into. So we got a third cup. What I did, I heated up water in the microwave for 25 seconds. And then I smashed these bouillon cubes in the hot water with a fork. I'm going to give these dry ingredients a little bit of a stir right here. We're going to put 1 cup of milk into this. We're going to mix it again. Oh yeah. The milk's going to be absorbed little by little. Keep mixing until you don't see any dry stuffing. The recipe is going to be written at the end, so you can screenshot the recipe. That's all you got to do. This is going to be the dump dinner version of broccoli stuffing casserole. So I use chickpeas, but you can use whatever protein you want. A lot of times I've used super firm tofu, but that often helps to bake that first. So I've got that pretty well mixed. I'm going to do another half cup of extra sharp cheddar cheese. Gosh. And you're going to be eating Thanksgiving tonight. Pop this in the oven, 30 minutes at 350. Have a good one. All right, let's see how it is. Right. That's nice.